You guys, I have been waiting to make this video for so ridiculously long. I think this is my third attempt and I have just gone back over and over again to make revisions, and I'm so glad I did because the end result is wonderful. This is what we're making today. We're making a journal. I'm just showing you how to make the base with closures, and I also added a signature in, but you can kind of just do what you would like. There's some really fun future projects with this. There's going to be a freebie tomorrow that I'm going to be putting on this page, but you can use it in any way you like. So make sure that you are there for that. And you guys, this is just so fun to hold. It's heavy and it's sturdy and it's really cute. So this is the March kit. If you're interested, I will link it. You can get it for $8.99 in a subscription, or you can buy it separately, and I'll include a promo code for that for the Etsy. And without further ado, we're just gonna jump into the video. This is really easy and I hope you guys enjoy it. First things first is I already made a signature, and I just made it on this thin little piece of file folder, and it's a really cute signature. I'm really excited about it. I didn't film this part just because we have so many videos on making signatures and there's a lot of videos out there, so if you want to make your own signature, feel free. The tutorial for today is actually going to be making the cover and a closure, and it's really cute. I'm really excited about it and pretty simple. So the pages that you're going to need in the kit are the journal covers, and there's 3 of them I believe, and you'll get these and these, and then you're just going to need 2 pieces of cardstock for the inside of your journal. The reason we're double lining it and not just printing double-sided is because we want the journal cover to be thick, because this is an all paper version. Again, this is just an option with what you can do with the kit. You can do a whole lot, but I did just want to include an option for how you can make a journal. Okay, so this smaller piece is actually going to be the spine right there, the main spine. So that will go there. And then this longer piece will actually attach to the spine right here. So that's going to be our very first step, is just gluing that together. Use a heavy duty glue, or of course you can always sew. If you guys can take the patience to just really make sure all your lines are folded straight and cut correctly, then you're gonna get the absolute best results. And then you need to make sure, again, that it's straight. So I somehow lucked out and got that not too bad. You can kind of see how this is going to work. You can call it good there, or you can double line it, which is what I'm going to be doing. So that's all. I'm just going to glue these 2 pieces down like so, and then cut off my excess. Okay, so I double lined it and she's good to go. I just now need to grab my zippy cutter and cut off that excess, and then I'm going to refold all my lines and ink everything. So go ahead and do that as well. And here's what we got so far. I inked on the inside just so you guys can kind of see a little bit better about what is going on. If you're to this step, you'll kind of just notice that it's like a heavy, hefty book, and it is awesome. Loving it. And this paper is so cute that I chose to use for my back. But yeah, and we're just going to take it one more step further, and this is my back and my cover. Again, this is optional if you would like. You do not have to do this. It just adds a little bit more structure and it's really, really cute. Make sure that your small rectangle is right here. And you're just going to glue on 2 of these to the front and back. The great thing about this is there's so many different directions that you can go that fits your personal style from this place. Okay, our next step is a closure, and I went ahead and just did one so I can kind of show you guys what it's supposed to look like so you don't lose faith and that it can just be really, really simple. And I'm going to walk you through another one. Now, I mean, you guys will notice that I'm using 2 different size tags here because you got to make one for the back. And that's okay. I think it's okay to mix and match sizes, but if not, just use the same size tag. I'm just trying something a little bit new today. Really important tip, make sure that you open this up, because if you plan it like this and then flip your tag to do it, if you have an image, it could be upside down. So make sure that you just simply open out your book and plan accordingly. Okay. Your first step is going to be to create a little crease at the end of your tag that's about 1 to 2 centimeters, like that. Fold and ink. For this one specifically, I just grabbed some orange pieces to kind of match the vibe, and I'm going to be gluing that like that, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess. Of course, you gotta re-ink. So essentially, you just gotta get a tag or a piece of ephemera, create a fold line that's about 1 centimeter, decorate it how you want, and then finally mark a spot where you would like a rivet. Your next step is to get about 12 inches of a string that you like that matches the vibe of your project. And I like to stick mine through the front of my rivet. Open your loop and pull the string through. And there you have the end of your closure. And then flip it over, and just on that little slab that we created, add a bunch of glue. Just so it never falls off, and center it with your other one. You can kind of decide where you want it on the page as well. I left a little white space. Mine are different sizes, but I really like it. I really like how it looks. I think it's cute. And of course, I'm not going to tie it right now because the glue is drying, but it's really cute and I love it. All right. The final step of this tutorial is to add a signature. The papers that are designed to be 5x7 that I have fit right here or right here because I think those are the same size. I made a little signature. I'll kind of show you guys real quick. I used the papers from the kit and some coffee dyed paper. I added in this little trifold card as one of my papers. I hid the wax thread in this little envelope, so that'll be good. Again, from the kit. I love the colors in this kit. It's just unique, but still really, really chic. There's all that. Some writing space. And there it is. And I just put it on here so that I can glue it in. Bam, like that. If you want, you can create your signature right there because the paper is pretty thick. You could just glue it down here. You could do whatever you want. You could create a little notepad, literally whatever you want. But this is just what I chose to do today. Do what works for you and what style is your favorite. That's the beauty of junk journaling. Now I'm adding a lot of glue on this one because this is going to be literally holding everything together. I'm just gonna line it up as best as I can. And I'm just gonna kind of sit and press on it until it can stand on its own. You guys, we are done. And I'm gonna quickly explain my plans for this if you are interested. I have the cutest little project that we're gonna be doing right here. They're kind of like, you'll just have to wait and see because I can't even describe them. They're so cute. And so that is all planned out. Then we're gonna decorate our pages. Then I have a freebie coming. I think the freebie is gonna be tomorrow. And the freebie is designed to use in any journals, but you can also, I'm gonna be putting mine right here. So that's the plan there. And then I guess we'll just have to see what else happens. But the way you close it, so you just tie a little bow or knot right here. And that is how it looks. You guys, this is a fun project and it's really simple and really cute. You can do it with any papers you have at home. I have the template in the March kit for this specific journal if you're interested. But there it is. We're gonna have a lot of fun with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in our future videos. You guys have a wonderful day. See ya.